In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in n8n. Now, whether you're updating your contact information or simply replacing an old email, this guide will walk you through the steps needed to make the change with ease. So, let's get started. First things first, to make any changes to your account, you'll need to sign into your n8n workspace using your current email address. This step ensures that you have access to all the settings and options necessary to update your profile. Make sure you enter your current email and password accurately, as any mistakes could prevent you from accessing your account. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of the workspace. Here, you'll find a small icon labeled Settings. This icon is your gateway to the various customization options available in n8n, allowing you to tailor your workspace to your specific needs. Click on this Settings icon to proceed. Now that you're inside the Settings menu, you'll want to focus on the section marked as Personal Settings. To navigate here, simply select the pathway that goes through both Settings and then Personal. This will take you to a dedicated section where you can update personal details related to your account. This area is particularly important as it contains all your personal information such as email, password, and other preferences. Once you're in the Personal Settings section, it's time to update your email address. You'll find an email field within this section. It's where your current email address is displayed. Click into this field, erase the old email, and carefully type in your new email address. It's crucial to double-check your entry for any typos or errors because this new email will not only serve as your login credential, but also become the primary method of communication for account-related updates and information. After entering your new email, the final step is to click Save. This action confirms the update, ensuring that your new email is set as the primary contact for your account. Once saved, your new email address replaces the old one as your sign-in email. For owners of the account, this new address will also be used for all account communications, providing you with crucial information and updates related to your n8n workspace. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily update your email address in n8n. Remember to always use an email address that you frequently check, as it will provide you with important updates and notifications regarding your n8n account. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials.